Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on your account in imToken wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the imToken wallet app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your account name as well as your password or your private key. After logging in, you will end up within the wallet page, from which if you wish to change your account password, just tap on My Profile at the bottom right corner. From here, tap on Manage Wallets and then tap on your current wallet. Now within this page, you will see the Forgot Password option. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on Reset Password Now. You will now be asked to enter the 12-word recovery phrase that was provided to you while creating your account. So go ahead and type in these phrases and then tap on the Import Now button. When you tap on this button, after entering your mnemonic phrase, you will now be allowed to create your new password. Go ahead and type in your desired new password within the Enter Password box, and then type in this new password once again underneath for confirmation. You may also set up a hint for your password if you wish. And finally, tap on the Submit button, and now your password has successfully been changed within your imToken wallet application account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on imToken. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.